Good afternoon. We are here now in one of our finished projects in California Residences. I will show you our devices and our automations inside. So first, we have here Aqara G410. This one is battery powered, but you can also put 24 volts power here so that you don't have to remove and replace battery all the time. Next, we have here our D100 smart door lock. So this comes with the fingerprint recognition as well. So when you click the doorbell, it will show here the live footage of the doorbell, and you can talk through it. So this is our 7-inch screen. This is basically all your main control in the house. As you can see, security, foyer, living, dining, kitchen, and other utility areas. It's up to you what you want to add on this 7-inch, but basically all your Aqara all your Aqara devices can be put here. So next, I will show you the lights here in foyer. It can change cool white to warm white and also RGB. It depends on client's preferences. Next, here, this is our latest switch, Z1 Pro 4-rocker switch. So this one, we put automation in the third button. If you can see, this automates with the stair slide. It's automated to the switch outside. Next. We're now here in client's living room. So we have here two switch again of Z1 Pro 4-rockers. This one controls the color temperature of living and dining. I'll show you. Now it will be warm white. Now I'll make it again cool white. So now it's cool white. And then the second switch, it controls the dimmable function of the bulbs and LED. So now we'll make it dim. You can see it's dim. You can put how many percentage of the dim that you want. Basically, you can turn 0 to 100. 1% to 100. Pause mo na muna. So now I will show you our Aqara Cube T1 switch. This is our switch for certain automations. So I automated it. If you shake, it will turn on the living room LED and spotlights. Now I'll make it 2. You just place it there, and then it will change color. Now let's make it to number 3. Now 4 for red, 5 for white, and then 6 for warm white. And now if you want to turn it off, just put in number 1. Again, if you want to turn on, just shake. Then it will turn on.